evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Business confidence in Jamaica has seen a modest gain in the second quarter of 2025. Many firms have pointed to a shortage of qualified labor and high operating costs as the main barriers to expanding operations. More in this report.
According to the latest consumer and business confidence indices, 19% of businesses surveyed say the shortage of skilled workers remains the biggest barrier to their expansion plans. This followed closely by both limited access to finance, raising foreign exchange costs, and high input costs, each cited at 15%. Only 2% pointed to insufficient marketing as their main challenge. Meanwhile, businesses are optimistic about improvements in key public services over the next 12 months. 35% of respondents expect improvements in policing services, while another 25% anticipate progress in water supply. Similarly, confidence in the health sector edged up as 14% are expecting better service delivery in the upcoming year. At the same time, businesses are already weighing the potential impact of new trade agreements, with 51% expecting shipping and logistics costs to climb, and another 43% anticipating inventory delays and shortages in the months ahead. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.
Jamaica's Consumer Price Index CPI saw a slight dip of 0.3% in June, dropping from 141.9 to 141.5. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin, a key driver behind the decrease was a 1.5% drop in the housing, water, electricity, gas and other fuels category. It's primarily due to reduced electricity rates following a cut in the GCT on residential charges. The Food and Non-Alcoholic Beverages Division also fell by 0.3%. The Furnishings and Household Equipment Division rose by 1.4%, partly due to a 6.7% increase in the national minimum wage. Year-over-year inflation from June 2024 to June 2025 stands at 3.8%, driven by higher costs in food, housing, and restaurants. Guardian Holdings has announced a major strategic move with the acquisition of the pension fund investment management and administration portfolio of NCB Insurance Agency and Fund Management. The deal, approved by Guardian's Board of Directors on July 11, 2025, will see the portfolio transferred to Guardian Life Limited, the group's life, health and pension arm based in Jamaica. The acquisition is expected to deliver both strategic and financial benefits, strengthening Guardian Life's market position and enhancing shareholder value over the medium to long term. The notice was issued in accordance with Section 64(1)(b) of the Securities Act 2012. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 164 points today, while the junior market index declined by 2 points. Among the winners, cargo handlers, Epley Limited, Salada Foods Jamaica, Tropical Battery, and JMMB Group Limited 9.5%. The losers were led by Iron Rock Insurance, Main Event Entertainment Group, Epley Limited 7.75%, ISP Finance Services, and the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 17 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.26. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.09. The pound is going for $214.73, while the euro is selling for an average $186.62. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.